Yeah, in this video, we're going to go through a few on how you can leverage the BLACKBOX remote agent. There's different ways where you can interact with it. One way is directly through the browser, sending different tasks to the remote agent. So you can assign it as many as you want. You can leverage the BLACKBOX CLI, different CLIs that are available right here with different models as well. So one of the recent available capabilities that are available for you as well is by simply connecting to Slack. You get the BLACKBOX agent directly in your Slack workspace. And we're going to take a look at what are some of the things that you can get access to on the Slack right here. So we're going to create a task. We're going to say, if we send this right now, we get a form. If we want to fill it through a form or use natural language, one of the unique things that you're going to see is that this is the only Slack that supports remote task execution on multiple agents. So you integrate it once into your workspace on Slack, and you can get the BLACKBOX CLI, Claude, Codex, Gemini, and many more that will be added as well. And you can fill it through a form. You can use natural language to send a task to the agent. So it's up to you depending on what you prefer. And we're going to actually here take a closer look at some of the different commands. We're going to filter only the BLACKBOX ones. So we can look into the task status if we want to connect it directly from here, but simply by connecting it from the browser, you can do it. Manage GitHub access, different API keys. We can list some of the recent tasks, so we can take a look at this. Those are some of the more recent ones. We can view all tasks by simply going in here. Here we have one that was recently complete, so let's continue just having a look at some of the different commands. So as mentioned, we're creating a new task, or we're continuing on an existing one. We're going to take a look at one of the existing tasks here, how you can go through it. Let's say here you described it, you sent a specific implementation that you need to be done. You gave it the repo. You saw the agent while it was going through it. You could have stopped it at any point and done the follow-up. If you would have wanted to do a continue on it, this is the original description, but then you can add your follow-up. You can keep the same agent or change it midway. You can modify the model that was being used, and you can run the task and continue it. So we're going to actually tell it here in the Blinkshot repo, I want you to use, here. And yeah, so as we noticed right here, when we did this, we can use natural language and no forms. So we don't need to have any form over here. So we're going to tell it in the Blinkshot repo and in the branch called dev, I want you to go in the README file and implement the second task in the future tasks section. So we just sent this task right now. It's going to analyze it. It's a natural language form. So it's going to identify the proper repo, there we go. So we have the proper repo right here. This is the right one. We can monitor the task right now. So we're going to get status updates on it. We can view it right here. So proper branch, proper repo, and basically we have the task that we just sent right now. So we're going to be able to monitor it from here, or also we're going to get these status updates that we can follow here. We can stop the task. We can get in the cloud directly and then follow the entire log thread that we would want. And you're also getting notified by SMS notification at any point in time how it's executing the task. One of the ways that we're going to also showcase how you can interact with it is completely through voice. So right now you have this multi-agent capability where so here you're seeing it's preparing the BLACKBOX agent. It was initiating the sandbox, installing everything, validating environment variables. So yeah, one of the different ways that you're going to be able to interact with it is now you have the multi-agent capability directly from Slack. What you have also available for you is if you just connect your phone, you can start sending tasks completely through voice. So we're going to be able to showcase this. You can call your agent, give it the repo, give it the branch, tell it exactly what your task is, and you will be able to hand off as many tasks as you want completely remotely and have it executed. So this is a brief example. It's going to be running this task. It's going to take a couple of minutes, and we'll be able to showcase some more ways you can leverage the BLACKBOX remote agent.